Hi everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. We have been doing a great job with GitHub workflows. We created our first workflow and have understood how to run the workflow manually. Our first workflow, demo.yml, runs when the code is pushed to the main branch. Our second workflow was also created on the main branch and it runs manually. When we were learning about workflow inputs, we updated the manual.yml file step by step and pushed many commits. Each commit triggered the Hello World workflow because it was meant to trigger on each commit. If you missed my previous videos, you might be wondering what I'm talking about. Let me go back to the repository. We have two workflows in our repository. Demo.yml has the push trigger. Manual.yml has workflow underscore dispatch trigger. That means it runs manually. I'll make a change to the manual workflow. Click on edit, add a space, commit changes, click commit again, go to actions tab, click on hello world. We see the new workflow run here. This is running because we pushed code to the workflow. You can see a small link here which shows all our changes. I added a space and committed, so this is our commit that triggered workflow. In our case, running it every time we make changes to the manual workflow is unnecessary. It would be great if we could temporarily stop the workflow from running, right? GitHub Actions provide an option to disable a workflow. Disabling a workflow means you can stop the workflow from triggering without deleting the file from the repository. You can always enable it back. So to disable the workflow, go to Actions tab. Under All Workflows, click on the workflow that you want to disable. In the right side, click on the three dots. You'll see an option to disable the workflow. I'll click on it. Now I see a banner that says this workflow was disabled manually, along with a button to enable the workflow again. Now, if I go back to code, go to manual.yml and remove the space that I added before and commit my changes, go back to actions. Now we don't see the hello world workflow run. And you also see a small label here that says Hello World workflow is disabled. At some point of time in future, if I want to disable this workflow, I can always come back to Actions tab, click on the workflow that is disabled and click on this button Enable Workflow. This workflow is enabled again. Any changes that I make now will trigger the workflow. I'll go to manual.yml, click on edit and make some change, commit changes, commit again, actions, and there is a new workflow run. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. As I always say, if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to InterviewPro. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.